Individuals who have emotion dysregulation have kind of 5 areas that they struggle with in particular. One of them is behavioral dysregulation. That is where they tend to do self-destructive things to actually calm down how they're feeling because they don't have anything that they believe would work or any more skillful behaviors to do instead. And so the behavioral dysregulation is answered by distress tolerance skills. So the more distress you can tolerate, the less likely you are to do dangerous behaviors. Another aspect of regulating is knowing how to regulate before you fall into crisis. So we have a lot of emotion regulation skills to help teach that, how people to experience emotions more fully, not to avoid emotions as much as they had in the past. There's also difficulties with interpersonal effectiveness. So if you're not regulated, it's hard to connect in relationships or build safe relationships with other people. So we have interpersonal effectiveness skills to help prevent rejection or conflict in relationships, which is often what leads people to feel intense emotions is the relationships around them and the health of those relationships. The dialectical principles help with cognitive dysregulation, so all or none thinking, black and white thinking, feel like people are thinking about you or judging you even though they may not be. So a lot of skills in that area as well, and to kind of change outlook on life a bit too, because when you've been dysregulated for so long, you tend to have go-to assumptions and shortcuts that may not be healthy long term. One of the features I like about our program is we spend a lot of time in mindfulness. It's extraordinarily valuable, and programs really ideally would show how valuable it is by reinforcing the use of it and encouraging the use of it regularly, even among staff, even with residents, even with families. And then the last kind of areas is like identity dysregulation. So teenagers might just grab onto well, I'm this for the moment, or I'm this over here, and that is a normal part of your teenage years, but you're also sorting out who am I becoming, what's my identity? So spending a lot of time practicing mindfulness helps someone get more in touch with their values, who they are and kind of what they want out of life or want out of their relationships.